Take 2. So, for today's video, hi guys, welcome back to my video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so for today's take 2. So for today's video, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will going to unbox my first PR package from KindBeautyPh. Yes. So last month ago, they started their search for brand ambassador. Their brand, yeah. So luckily, I became part of their family, and I'm so very proud because I have now my sponsor. Yeah. So yeah. So, by the way, please don't forget to follow them on their social media accounts. They have Facebook page. I will post it naman. And also, don't forget to follow them on their social media, on their Instagram account at KindBeautyPh. So, before we start, and if you're new here to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on my social media account, Instagram at Darius Evardo, Facebook Darius Evardo. So without further ado, let's unbox. Okay, I have a short story before I get this PR package from KindBeauty at KRS Restaurant at Pulverista, Sunset City. So yes, kahapon sana ako mag-film September 18 after ko makuha nito. Kaso, naiwan ko dun yung cellphone ko sa mga JRS. So, ngayon binilikan ko yun. So, yun. Kinabahan ako kasi baka pagalitan naman ako ng mama kasi baka pangalawa ko nitong pagkawalan ng cellphone. So, yun. So, yun, nakuha ko din. I got my phone back. So, yeah. Thanks, God. So, let's check. So, let's unbox. So, here. So, they have the road. So, from JRS, pick up ko sa JRS, and they have their courier, yeah, from Roadmaster PH. Here. So, oh my God, may mga color na natapo na kasi yung courier nila. So, na-ruin na yung box. It's not beautiful anymore. But, I'm still safe. So, gugupitin natin siya. Or wag na lang. Ay, gupitin naman. Okay, ayusin ko naman po kahit sira na. So, oh my God. So, here's, let's stick together, queens. Yeah. Okay. I think here's the instruction of their new product. Of course, we got our eye shield that I will be doing a look this after. So yeah, we have. Okay. So we have this beautiful fish. have a face mask. Thank you so much. And of course, their new product, the Fresh Eyes. Okay, I'm so excited to use this. I'm not satisfied with the JRF test because they're just, you know. So by the way, I got a face mask from KindBeautyPh. By the way, thank you Miss Alex Javier for sending this VR package, and to the team, thank you so much. The face mask and the eyeshadow, and of course the Fresh Eyes, their new product. This is liners with hybrid tint. Then when you use this, you're going to have a, you don't need any more to apply a glue. So that's it. We will go try this later and review. So I will be right back and I will do my makeup. So guys, I'm done with my eyes, and I'm not yet done with the overall look because we will going to try this Fresh Eyes. Let our fresh take on liner and lashes before you wait for the new normal. Hashtag Fresh Eye the new normal. KindBeautyPh. Yeah, maybe. So here's we have the eyeliner and the false eye in Kind Lashes and Girly Girl, in the type of Girly Girl. So by the way, this lash stick from KindBeautyPh with hybrid eyeliner glue are, you know, it can effective siya sa mga different lashes, wings, false, acrylic lashes, like that. So we will go on the swatch. Look at that. Yes. And we will be going to, so I bought false lashes from Gaisano Capital Source, so we will try this. Okay. You apply this using this. Kapag ginamit mo to, or if you use this, didikit na agad yung false eye. Any type of false eye. Pwede din sa polish, sa lily lashes, or any type of lashes. See? Wait lang. Yeah. Okay. So now, I am going to apply it on my eyes. False eyelashes from KindBeautyPh. Yeah. So wait. See? Yes. So I already applied. I've already put my false eyelashes, and this is not very hassle. Like, you know, you're going to buy eyelashes glue, false eyelashes glue, and there's a residue. When you're going to use this lash stick from KindBeautyPh, less residue, and yeah, wala nang residue. And so yeah, this is not very hassle. And you're just going to apply, then paste, then put your false eye. Yeah, less hassle. So for only the price, you can check out for 190 plus. You have now this very pigmented and very nakapit na eyeliner. Yeah, and they have false eyelashes. And you know what? Kung gagamit ka ng pang-tikit, yung pang-curl, hindi na yung ano mismo, hindi siya matatanggal yung pagkakalikit mo pa lang. So now I'm going to do my right eye. So yeah, bye. So I will be right back. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. So go and check out KindBeautyPh on Instagram and get their products. So hope you like this look, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Darius Evardo, and don't forget to click the notification bell under. Don't forget to leave comment and like and share this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. So bye!